Then we have my team, because my team is 𝙊𝙧𝙙𝙾𝙬 creative. The creative person, because in the future, we will be genius faces in the society.
So I just wanted to congratulate the students. I think they've done a brilliant job. Especially the paintings, you can see it's really beautiful. I think it's a very good platform for the students to showcase their talents. I'm really happy to see like a lot of creativity around me.
And it was very impressive, and both done with other students, like the cartoon, how they prepare a cartoon, how will they project it was. It was all very, very nice. So like creating a very big level of exposure to all the students in this, right from 3rd standard, which is a very good thing, which is done by SJC. ICREAS பார்த்தோம், ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. பசங்க ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்களே சின்ன சின்ன ஒர்க்கெல்லாம் அவங்க ஆப்ரான்ஸ் ஆகட்டும், அப்புறம் சோஷியலில் வர இந்த நம்ம கேஸு எல்லாமே நல்லா பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. சூப்பராக எக்ஸலண்ட்டாக பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. We are very happy to see the children are showing their talent in different ways. They are very bold in front of the parents and explaining the things. There are so many things which are so creative and innovative. This is a good opportunity for the students to show their talent, I feel. Thank you so much.
The experience with IMAGEMINDS was memorable because for creative minds with creative ideas, IMAGEMINDS is perfect, and you can express your artworks through any medium through IMAGEMINDS.
The experience is engaging and immersive. It was a really good experience. I had a lot of fun helping out with the projects and arranging everything.
Had a lot of fun helping out my friends.
This IMAGEMINDS encourages us to do different various things that makes us learn a lot, and it helps us in our studies too. We had a lot of fun in the MCs and helping out the teachers and the students.
This day brought a lot of memories to me. So IMAGEMINDS helps us to gain creativity. It's not just a regular art class. It gives us an immersive experience.
Love IMAGEMINDS and we love ICREAS.